It's a blizzard. Right, Mom? It's a blizzard.
My steps disappearing.
Uh-oh. The snow is almost as high as the trampoline. Brendan's already getting to it.
So yeah, I was complaining that we didn't have waist deep snow yet. Well, we do now. And it's still snowing out. Me and Brendan just dug the trail to the chicken coop. The chickens have been fed and watered. I don't think I can let the pigs out because the snow is up to the top of the run. So it'd be dangerous. The dog could easily jump in, so it'd be a dangerous situation. If I let them out to eat, I'm gonna have to leave the dogs in the house because Bum's very territorial and I don't want to be running to the vet with the dog. I still have all this snow to shovel. I got a little bit done this path done.
Shovel the whole yard?
You wish. We got the trail done. They're going to school. It's a 1 hour delay. The prediction is we are going to get as much snow as 5 years ago. So if that's the case, in another couple of weeks, the snow will be the roof of the trailer. And on top of that, my husband has to get up on top of the trailer when he gets home from work tonight and clean it off because that much weight can actually damage the roof further. So yeah, and we have to make sure the heat pump's cleaned out because that's our heat source. Yeah, winter in the Maritimes is no fun at all. Just to show how much snow we got. My poor kid's trampoline. We got a lot of snow. And my dad, sorry, I'm out of breath, came with the plow truck and pushed a bunch of snow up. But he didn't see my birdhouse, my plant hanger in my birdhouse. So he went right through my flower bed.
But we got big snow hills to play in.
Now I got the rabbit burn dug out. I'm using it. That's gonna have to stay like that till the spring. But on a bonus, there's only 88 days till spring. And believe me, I can't wait because I got a ton of cleanup to do. Yeah. Butter's going, no, peanut's going in. Butter's still out. Mama saying, no, I want some food. They got some fresh water in their pool. I shoveled out a little bit in here so they could get out. Because it's healthy to get them outside every day. And when it's warm like this, they need to be outside. I see her nipples are dropped down, so that means she's definitely caught. So we might have to put her over in the other barn soon. Yeah, they're growing. They're doing great. The snow, I have to go and dig this out now for them because this is too high. And if the dogs get up in here and this compacts down and freezes, the dogs could easily jump in here. And with him, he gets so aggressive that I don't want to risk that. And then Darren's actually going to have to get in here tonight and shovel this whole thing out, hoping the snow stops so it doesn't get any deeper. So we're going to have to block them in the barn for about an hour and shovel the rest of this out so they can get some room in here. But my task today is to shovel this out so the dogs can't dump in. Butter's going in now. Or no, Peanut's going in. Butter's right here. So yeah. It's so nice though this morning. But there's a lot of work with having a homestead in the snow. And her squealing's fine. She's just mad because she can't get extra food. That's all her problem is. Because they keep running her off. But see, they get lots of food. It's a full 5-gallon bucket between the 4 of them. And she's had enough already, so now they're going to run her off. So they can get what they need. And he's saying you had enough. They're going to start running her off, you know. Hey, Butter. Why I call Butter Butter? Because she looks like a little butterball. Then Bump and Betty. And it's 9:30 in the morning, and these guys are going to school. It was an hour delay today. And just to show how much snow we've actually gotten, that's after my dad cleaned the driveway. And that's after my dad cleaned the driveway. So we got some good coasting hills for the kids. But we still got a lot to shovel. And we gotta re-clean the driveway. So that's actually gonna triple by the time we're done today. Usually I don't clean this far. In the wintertime we usually only clean one side of the lane because we have such a big driveway. Our driveway comes from over there. It comes around in a horseshoe and out this side, and then we have a parking area over here. So when my dad was living here, he'd always clean the entire yard in the front to have lots of parking area, and I don't like doing that because behind the trash cans and where the trampoline is our well, and over by the trees over there is where our septic is. So I don't like cleaning that because I don't want our septic or our well to be damaged. So I usually just clean. You'll see where our truck tracks are. Clean over there. So yeah. And I have my truck parked over at my uncle's because I'm going to have to get a snowblower in today and have this done. So I took my truck and parked over at my uncle's to get it out. And Darren's gone to work. He actually got to go back to work today. So yeah. So we got the rabbits shoveled out. Doorstep shoveled. Part of the pigs are shoveled. I said I'd do the backside. All this to the chicken coop shoveled. And I'm gonna have to get a plow to do the rest. Joys of living in the Maritimes. We get snow like this.